Welcome you especially to today's weekly analysis. Okay, so here is what I am seeing in the market. So this is the dollar index. If you see what dollar index has been doing for quite some time, you agree with me that it's been constantly bullish. And for what I have analyzed, it's actually coming to this bearish liquidity side, and before it probably will range or retrace. So I'm going to be expecting that DXY gets to this liquidity side. Excuse me. So that means buy up till that bearish liquidity side, and with that I'm going to be looking for my bearish move on GU. Okay, so I'm expecting GU to go bearish from that point, at least to fill up this void again back to this liquidity side before it may retrace bullish. And also for GJ, if you look closely, you see that I have drawn the liquidity line already on the 4-hour time frame, of which we get our entry from the 2 hours time frame. So this is the 2-hour time frame, and if you look closely, you find the price had broken structure from here, and it's changed character from here. So this entry will go in from here and come to this next liquidity side. So if you are ready to go in for GJ, then you can do this. Okay, even though the market is closed, but this is what I'm seeing. So at the opening of the market, I see GJ coming straight up to this next liquidity side. Okay, so get ready to trade that as we start up the new week, straight up to the synthetics. All right, so this is volatility 25, and it's been constantly bullish, and has given this massive move. So I see it coming here, just like what I just showed you. It looks like the chart I just finished showing you that the XY is printing. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a retracement on this part. Then if I'm going to buy, then I'm just going to buy up to this liquidity side before I begin to expect any retracement for volatility 25. And as for jump 25, analysis has been done also, and eyes on everything that's going to be happening to jump 25. So it's currently on this liquidity side, and I will expect it to test this liquidity side. Let's see if this liquidity will be able to hold price. If it's able to hold price, then we're going to begin to find the bearish move. But if it's not able to hold price, we're going to wait for a breakout before we begin to talk about the new directional bias. So this is all that I have made ready for the free community. For, of course, this weekly analysis is for the free community. So if you want to be part of those that will get free analysis on euro, gold, CFDs, stocks, synthetics, and indices, then you will need to subscribe to our membership package. So here's the membership plan. So just read through and decide for yourself which part will be good for you. Then choose this plan, make payment, enroll, and you will be on board. So just to let you know, just in case you don't know, we post signals on EU, gold, and the rest of them on the private community, also known as the VIP group. And if you would love to be a part of that, then get on board on any of the VIP package, and let's take it up from there. Remember, I'm going to be live 1 p.m. GMT +1 on Monday. Make sure you're part of it. Give us a subscribe on this channel. Support us, because we're growing so fast and we want you to be part of this growth process.